Welcome to Lighthouse Learning22, where we navigate young minds. It's time for phonics. What sound are we learning today? You've got it. We're learning the I sound. Do you know the letter name for I? The letter name is I, and it makes the I sound. Let's look at some I pictures. Say the word when the picture appears. Insects, igloo, in, internet. Excellent, you're doing great. Can you find all 7 I pictures? How many did you find? Let's look for them together. In, iguana, internet, insects, ink, igloo, injection. Fantastic! You need a challenge. It's sentence time. Listen carefully, then read after me. An igloo is made with blocks of snow. The green iguana eats insects. A mouse sleeps in the box. We use internet every day. I need ink in my pen to write. The doctor gives me an injection. Amazing! You're reading like a superhero. You've learned so many new words. Can you remember all of them? Let's start with the words beginning with I. Igloo, iguana, insects, in, internet, ink, injection. Now we'll read the words that don't begin with I. Block, snow, green, mouse, box, pen, write, doctor. Brilliant work! You did an outstanding job today. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join me for the next sound and become a reading rock star. See you next lesson. Bye for now.